Hello all, welcome to this video on filters. Actually, today we are going to learn about filters. Before that, if you want to interest our app, can download it. We have paid courses as well as the free courses. Not only the courses, also we have the examination for the practice, like who are preparing the ASTQBs, foundation level, and there is a existing mock examination. Also, we are about to add other examination like advanced level. Alright, if it is an Android user, you can just use this name, Embedded World. If it's iOS, you can download the app called Classplus. Then you can, in the ORG code, you can use this. Alright, yeah. So as I said, this video are going to learn about what is filters. So in embedded system, filters are used to process and manipulate the signals. So usually, what is filters? Filters is to filter something. Like say, filter something. What is filter? Like it will just remove the unwanted things and it will only allow the needed things. So the unwanted things will settle in the filter. That's it. That is the reason. That is the name filter. All right. So that is what here they mentioned. So filters can process and manipulate signals. So how can it process? Maybe the process means it may stop the unwanted thing and allow the needed stuff. All right. So that's what. And filters or electronic circuits. So actually, it is a electronic circuit that allow the certain frequencies to pass through while blocking others. So of course it is allowing and passing. So what it is allowing and blocking is frequencies in the signals. The main purpose of using filters in the embedded systems is to extract or remove certain frequencies from the input signals. All right, now we can consider the same. So input, and if this is a filter, say for example low pass filter, it will just make the low frequencies pass and block the high frequencies. Here we have two types of filters. One is hardware filter and software filters. And in this video we are going to learn about hardware filters. Hardware filters are commonly used in embedded systems to filter unwanted or noises. Again, same. The filters means the same terminologies keep on no repeat. So no, never mind. So unwanted signals it is removed. They are electronic circuits designed to pass certain frequencies while blocking others. That's what. It is maybe a blocking or it may be attenuating other allowing. There are different types of filters. There is hardware filters including passive filters, active filters, and digital filters. We have three types of different types of filters. So you are using your ECUs, right? In your ECUs, you may have the processors or a controllers. In that also the filters will be there. So it's your responsibility to understand the at least the existence of the filters and what is the purpose and types of the filters. Right. So hardware filters are essential in the embedded system that are exposed to noisy environments such as automotive, it's your field, and medical and industrial appliances applications. They help to improve the accuracy and the reliability. That's it. So filters is usually it will give what you want. That's it. So passive filter, what is passive filter? We'll start with the passive filter. So you have to understand the components. That's it. The passive filter means if you understand the component, then it is more than enough. Then active filter, again the component, digital component. So let's start with the passive filter. Passive filter use only passive components. So by using the components, we are designing the filters. These are the olden days filters. See resistors, capacitors, and inductors. You can see in your PU 2 or 12 standard you have studied RLC, resistor, inductor, and capacitor. So using these circuit, making the filter, that is your blocking certain frequencies and allowing certain frequencies of signal, that is a passive filter. So the advantages are very simple and cost effective, but their performance is of course limited because it's a basic level. Next is active filter. So active filter use active components like op amp. This also you have been seeing, have been studying your engineering, right? So your op amp. So you have your operational amplifier to amplify and filter the signal. Either amplify means again you can consider as a attenuation, or you can filter. Oh, sorry, attenuation is again resisting, right? Amplification or attenuation, that is amplify or filter the signal. They are more complex but offer better performance. So comparably to the passive filter, active filters are a bit complex in the architecture and the design, and not in usage, because it will give a better performance. That is what active filter. And here the final one is your digital filters. Nowadays we are using in your smart watches. See, digital filters use a digital signals processing technique to filter the signal. So not only in smartwatches, almost in our car vehicles we are using the digital filters only, because we are no more we are using these active filters and passive filters, because they're, of course, they're outdated, and they have so many limitations. But in automotive, because as the customers are paying in lakhs and crores, they should have no such limitations. That's what they are going for, the digital filters. So they are most versatile and can be programmed to filter different types of signals. Digital filters, or the electronic filters that use DSP, that's a subject, right? Digital signal processing technique, to filter input. So they have so many theorems, they have so many stuff that has been programmed. You don't want to understand the theorems and all, but you have to at least know those all exist in this. They are implemented using digital circuits such as microprocessor, digital signal processors, or other specified integrated circuits, that is ASIC. So ASIC is a main controller and process that is being used in so many applications. Alright, so that's all about this video on the filters, and the next video we'll see about the software filters. So software filters also we are using in deep, so that also we can come to understand from the next video. And if you are willing to download this application, you can download. If you have any comments, please feel free to connect with us, we'll get back to you.